patients of your clinic can use our portal to access their medical profiles. All patients of a clinic will be granted access to the portal. They will receive the portal link via email, as you can see. We also have an option to send this portal link by SMS to patient's mobile just after the patient registration. So from this portal link, they can set up their password and sign up for the first time by clicking on this link. The patient can set up their password and click on sign up. After signing up successfully, the patient will also receive a confirmation email with the login details, and they can also click on this go to my account button to access to their portal. Type the password and click on login, and then you can see this is the patient portal that we have created for our Hcare system. In this portal, the patient will be able to see their appointment details, their invoice details, and as well as their files. In the appointments section, you can see that all the appointments that was done for this particular medical will be available. The patient can also click on the appointments and see more details. For example, they can see the appointment start date, the room, the doctor's name, the clinical assessments, and complaints and findings, and so on. In the next section, we have invoices. In the invoices, the patient can see all the invoices that was registered under this patient's name. If we want to see more details, we can click on the invoice and see the necessary details for this invoice. For example, the patient can see the treatment that was taken and the amount that was paid for this particular treatment. Finally, we have the patient file, which is my file, in where the patient can see all its medical data that was recorded in this clinical system. For example, the medical questionnaires, the general information of the patient, the prescriptions, activities, and so on. So that's all for this video. Thank you, and I will be seeing you in the next